related to the case study of the credit risk mitigation. It is related to the credit risk mitigation. So we have covered one video yesterday related to the case studies where we covered the exposure and related, and further in this video also we'll be covering the exposure related criteria. Okay, so Popular Bank granted a corporate loan of rupees 10 crore to XYZ Limited, repayable in 3 years. So Popular Bank granted a corporate loan of rupees 10 crore to the XYZ Limited, and further that loan was repayable in 3 years. The credit rating of the company is said to be A. The value of the collateral in the amount, if rupees 10 crore, is in the form of the unrated bonds issued by another bank with a residual maturity of 3 years. So what it is actually? So bank over here, so let me just consider it, a bank over here has sanctioned a loan to the XYZ Limited, and further this loan is sanctioned for a period of 3 years. It is sanctioned for a period of 3 years, and an amount of 10 crore rupees has been extended as an advance, and further the credit rating for this particular company is A. It is A rated over here. The value of the collateral, so XYZ over here has provided a collateral, and further this collateral is comprising of what? It is comprising of the unrated bonds. It is comprising the unrated bonds which are issued by some other bank, and further those are also having the maturity of 3 years. So there is no maturity mismatch. Okay, so the collateral is having a maturity of 3 years, and further the collateral is amounting rupees 10 crore, has been issued by some other bank, and further it is in the form of the unrated bonds. Is that clear? Next, it is said, as per the Reserve Bank of India guidelines, a risk weight of a loan to A rated borrower is 50%. As per the RBI guidelines, it is said over there that if the firm is rated to be A, then in that particular case the risk weightage would be 50% for that particular firm itself, and further the haircut on such bonds such as the unrated bonds would be 6%. The haircut would be related to on the related collateral would be 6%, and haircut for such exposure, so the exposure related haircut is 0. The value which is added up to the exposure itself, it is mentioned to be 0 in this particular case. Okay, so that is related to the question part, and further it is said that we need to solve the question based upon the information given above. So what is the value of the collateral security after prescribed haircut? So we need to calculate the value of the collateral security, haircut adjusted value of the collateral security. So collateral security is amounting 10 crore rupees. It is amounting 10 crore rupees, and further we need to calculate what? We need to calculate the haircut adjusted security. So I already told you a formula related to the net exposure. What it was? It was ranging from 0 to max. It was ranging from 0 to maximum of what? Maximum of current exposure, and further 1 plus haircut on exposure minus the collateral, 1 minus haircut on collateral, and HFX, that is related to the foreign currency exchange. Okay, so that is to be subtracted, and that would be related to what? That would be related to the net exposure. And in the question itself, it is clearly said that we need to calculate what? We need to calculate the haircut adjusted collateral value. That is basically we want to calculate this particular factor only. So the collateral value over here, it is 10 crore. It is how much? It is 10 crore, and we need to subtract the collateral. We need to subtract the collateral haircut. That is 6%. So the 6% of the value is to be subtracted. Okay, and further, is there any foreign currency related haircut available? No, that is not available. So it will be 0. So that is what we need to calculate. So this is what we need to calculate. That is a 10 crore minus 0.6%, or we can say not 0.6%. It will be 6% of 10 crore. 6% of 10 crore. That would be equal to what? That would be equal to 10 crore minus 6% of 10 crore, and that is how we can do calculate. So it will be 94 lakh rupees. So it would be 94 lakh rupees. Is that clear? Not 94 lakh, it will be 9.4 crores actually. It will be 9.4 crore value. So 10 minus 6%, it is 9.4 crore. Not 94 lakh, it is 9.4 crores. Is that clear? So that would be the answer related to it. So we can say the haircut adjusted collateral value over here. We can simply write over here haircut adjusted collateral value is 9.4 crore that we calculated. Okay. So that is related to question number 1 over here. Now let's move to another question. That is question number 2, which says what is the value of the net exposure? In this particular question, we need to calculate. In the question number 2, we need to calculate the value of the net exposure after credit risk mitigation taken into account the collateral security with prescribed haircut. So we need to calculate what? We need to calculate the net exposure value. Net exposure value after credit risk mitigation. After credit risk mitigation. So what it would be? So there is basically 0% haircut on the exposure value itself. So it will be E net would be equal to current exposure 1 plus HE is equal to 0, and this value further we have already calculated, that is 9.4 that we have already calculated. So it will be 10 crore 1 plus 0%, the haircut adjusted exposure is 0% minus 9.4, and that would be how much? That would be equal to, so the net exposure is equal to 0.6 crores. So it will be 0.6 crores. Is that clear? Is that clear? So the net exposure value would be equal to what? It would be equal to 0.6 crores if I'm not wrong, because we have extended a loan of 10 crore rupees and further a collateral was available on which 6% was the haircut. If we subtract the value from it, we can get the value right away. That is basically equal to what? That is equal to the value of the net exposure. That is equal to the value of net exposure. So the net exposure is equal to haircut adjusted exposure value minus the haircut adjusted collateral value, that is 9.4 that we subtracted from 10 crore itself. So it comes out to be 0.6 crore. Is that right? So that is basically what? That is your net exposure. So the net exposure over here that we calculated, it comes out to be 0.6 crores. Is that clear? Okay. After that, it is comparatively said over there in the question number 3, it is said what is the value of risk weighted assets after credit risk mitigation based on the collateral security? What is the value of the risk weighted assets? So we need to calculate the value of the risk weighted assets. So kindly please do let me know the answer at the earliest. So after the mitigation, we need to calculate the risk weighted asset. That is what we need to calculate. How we can calculate the same? Kindly please let me know about it. So it would be basically equal to it is clearly given in the case study. It is clearly given in the case study that as per the Reserve Bank of India guidelines, the risk weight of a loan to a rated borrower is 50%. It would be 50%. So it would be 50% of the net exposure. Absolutely right. So Bharani Vasuki has answered correct. So answer would be what? It would be 50% of the net exposure. It would be 50% of the net exposure. So we are having the 50% value of the 0.6 crore, that is the net exposure. So and that will amount to what? That would be amounting to 3 lakh rupees. That will be amounting to 3 lakh rupees, or we can simply say it is basically 0.3 crore, not 3 lakh rupees. It is 0.3 crore. Is that clear? So that would be the answer related to it. So that would be the answer related to it.